politiko dyan! Lumabas ka!
Labas!
Colombian support Spark. There are hundreds of billions of stolen funds that we can take back and insert.
Huwag protection na magnanakaw!
Ang ina ang mga magnanakaw! Huwag dado ng
Also,
pulis!
call for justice. Kasi pag nabalik na yan sa ekonomiya natin, we can start allocating those funds into projects that would help improve our country and our economy. We can start building more schools, we can start building more hospitals, everything. Infrastructure projects, education projects, health-related projects, everything once we take what is stolen from us that lies beyond those things.
Sir, sinong tao po ang yun dyan na pinapanawagan niyo po? Sino pong official ng gobyerno?
Nabaltaan ko may bahay dyan si Zaldico at si Martin Romualdez sa loob ng Forbes Park. Kaya yun lang yung target namin. Sinabi ko din sa mga residents sa loob ng Forbes Park na ang plano ko is just for Martin Romualdez and Zaldico. I want to see for myself what they have stolen from the people.
Wala namang paggugulo, sir. Wala namang tayong...
Wala yun. We will not open fire. We did not even bring weapons. Hindi ko alam sa akin pa, pero ang sabi ko sa lahat ng mga tao ko, no weapons. No weapons. We won't bring any weapons. Pag Maberlin na kami, okay lang. Well, the dream of justice, of progress, is nourished by the blood of martyrs. Ganun talaga yun. Minsan, kailangan talaga may mga matay para sa kinabukasan natin. And kung kami yun, it's fine. Because progress cannot be made without sacrifice.
Sir, hanggang kailan kayo magpaprotesto? Romualdez! Magnanakaw!
Bumaba.
Kasi may session pa ako bukas.
Dating na yung malaking marcha, papunta na dito. Pupunta yung mga Pilipino dito, nagmamarcha na.
Ordinaryo! Hindi ba yan?
Nasaan yung lighter? Sisindi ako ng sigarilyo para mas malinaw, para wala akong supina.
May gusto ko kayong panawagan, sir? Sa mga tao. May gusto ko kayong panawagan.
The international community.
Yung lahat, para makita na.
Okay. The international community.
Una ang protector.
The Philippine government, the Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protest. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa mga nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. We will get Marcos to resign peacefully. And this is just the first step. Every day from now on, we will be protesting at various subdivisions, yung mga pinakanayamang subdivisions kung saan nakatira yung mga congressman, para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose the house during the earthquakes. Ngayon, sila naman yung makakaramdam na feeling na yung kalaban nila, yung mga